brought to light for many protective parents in Orange County, joined together by similar concerns, particularly a common court appointed therapist named Jessica St. Clair, was recently found to have fraudulent credentials and extreme bias. Her fraudulent reports and recommendations for decades worth of cases affecting children's safety and parental rights and custody. St. Clair works closely with other court-appointed professionals who refer each other and then who echo each other's biases, refusing to acknowledge evidence of abuse. Even forensic evidence of sexual abuse is ignored. Extreme cases where children are court-ordered to live with the alleged abusers they fear, and children are being removed from the protective parents as punishment for voicing concerns. These family court professionals are interfering with Orange County Sheriff Department and CPS investigations. Protective parents are being told to take it up with family courts by the other systems. Oftentimes the court professionals are getting involved with these investigations, pushing for the family courts to investigate where they then do not. When going to family court, these protective parents are being punished and having their parental rights removed, often solely on the basis of hearsay from these fraudulent and biased court professionals who lie about their credentials, among many other things in testimony portrayed in the courts. I have had at least 2 court professionals refuse to disclose to child abuse and appropriate authorities. They lie in testimony. They refuse to acknowledge forensic evidence of physical and sexual abuse. They refuse to investigate or even speak about child abuse. And after not even speaking with the family members, they recommend sole custody to abusive parents, oftentimes accusing protective mothers of being delusional without any investigation or assessment, never mind even talking with them, never mind they don't even have the proper credentials to do that, even if they did. These acts are illegal on so many levels. These judges take these recommendations from these biased court professionals like gold, and most oftentimes refuse to even consider any other testimony or evidence. I would have never believed that this happens if I did not witness this tragedy myself and heard many other mothers with similar experiences. If any reasonable person with actual credentials and unbiased nature were to review these cases, the outcomes would be drastically different. I guarantee you that. I'm requesting an immediate investigation into Orange County Family Court, the Lamoureux Justice Center judges, staff, minors counsel, therapists, and custody evaluators. Thank you for your time and consideration.
Thank you very much.
The future of Orange County depends on you.
Supervisor Foley.
Mr. Chairman, thank you. Is there someone who could direct the speaker as to who is the appropriate entity to take these concerns to? Because I don't know if these individuals, I know we don't employ the court judges, but I don't know about these other individuals that are being referred to. And so if there is a particular entity, judicial council, I don't know who we direct this
Supervisor
Full. Because it's not, I don't think within our jurisdiction.
Hang on.
Sorry.
Thank you, Supervisor Foley. I understood the speaker to be criticizing or complaining about social services agency employees, perhaps social workers that are involved with these families.
Are they the court-appointed therapists? She said the court, they're appointed therapists. That's what I wrote down.
Okay.
I don't know.
It may be on a panel, right? That is, I don't know. Let me look into that. I don't know for certain whether SSA procures the panelists or whether that's done directly by the court.
Okay, so if we could find out whether it's within our jurisdiction or some other agency and give that information to the speaker. Thank you.
Sure, thank you. What I'd like to do is get the lady's contact information, please.
All right. Next